Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm just here to unbox or show you some DVI cables. I'll do them both separately, I think. That way, if there's any issues, I can always go back and put some comments later. But okay, so this is one. Neither of them are very expensive. One's 1 meter, one's 2 meters. Not that matters. Just I didn't need them all to be too long, but they're DVI to DVI. Now, I already have DVI and convert to HDMI for one monitor, but that monitor's okay because it's not a 4K monitor. It's only a 1080p, which is fine. But one of the other monitors is 4K, so you can't do it that way. Well, you can, but you're basically reducing it to a 1080p monitor. So you need to go DVI to DVI, which should do full 4K, or these claim to be 8K, but anyway. Now, this one's called, the name is, they called it Tonghey, DisplayPort cable, 1.4. 8K, 4K, DP cable, so DisplayPort. Then it's got a whole lot of other things. Now, these weren't very expensive. It was only about $8 or $10 or something. But this is the 1 meter one. In case you want to look at it, it's. I don't know if it can be seen on here or not, but I'll see if I can put that. It's going to be a bit hard to read. But anyway, let's get it out. We'll have a quick look. There's not going to be much to say here. This will be very short. This braiding, it feels quite thick, feels quite good quality. But what it looks like and feels like on the outside isn't going to mean much. What's important is what it's going to do, and what the quality of the cable is inside, but I'm not expecting any problems. I quite dislike these little... anyway, we'll leave it on there in case I need to undo it. It feels quite stiff, so it's probably got a decent sized cable in there. Anyway, that's about all there is to say. In case you don't know what DVI is, that's DVI port. I don't know if we'll be able to, you might not be able to see that. There's probably not enough light there. Maybe even better down here, but anyway, you can look that up online if you need to know what that is. But anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see how that goes, and I'll add some comments if there's anything to comment on. I'm not expecting anything too exciting, but yeah, thanks for watching.